German Tapestry, a symphony of resilience and grace. In the heart of Europe, a nation so grand, lies a land of courage where dreams expand. A tapestry is woven with history's thread, Germany's people, where strength is widespread. From ancient tribes that roamed these grounds to emperors, thinkers, and musical sounds, a legacy carved in castles and art, Germany's people have a passionate heart. In forests deep, where legends reside, fairy tale castles stand tall with pride. From Bavarian Alps to Rhine's gentle flow, Germany's people land to bestow. In cities vibrant, where progress thrives, engineering marvels reach for the skies. From Berlin's hustle to Hamburg's embrace, Germany's people, a modern grace. In fields adorned with golden grains, hard-working hands sow nature's gains. From vineyards lush to beer-filled steins, Germany's people taste life's sweet wines. A spirit forged through trials untold, a phoenix rising, brave and bold. From ashes of war, united they stand, Germany's people, a resilient brand. With every step, a cultural dance, traditions cherished are passed on in advance. From Oktoberfest's joy to Christmas delight, Germany's people, a festive sight. In hearts so warm, hospitality reigns, welcoming strangers with open lanes. From heartfelt smiles to words sincere, Germany's people bring warmth so near. United they are, diversity's embrace, a colorful mosaic, a tapestry's grace. From every corner, different beliefs, Germany's people find strength in peace. So raise a glass, let's all celebrate. Germany's people are so true and great. With pride and honor, let's all proclaim, their spirit shines a glorious flame.